Welcome back. This is Shilly Davis, and I'm back to do another video. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks, and we also talk about crypto. I want to welcome back all my subscribers, and welcome to my new viewers. If you're new, please click the subscribe button. Well, today we're going to talk about crypto really quickly. And right now, the cryptocurrency market is up. You can see I have a few videos, Crypto 101 and Diversified Assets. Few videos in there if you want to go back and watch some of my other crypto on Shiba and so the other popular topics. But if you look at the overall crypto market, Bitcoin is up 2%, up at 41,000, and Ethereum up 2.45%, XRP up 4.70%, and Litecoin up 3.5%. So those are the major Bitcoins and Ethereum, XRP. We're only going to talk about Ethereum and Bitcoin because those are the main ones I own. So we're going to go to CoinBase.com, and you'll see they have Bitcoin over the last day is up 3.64. So if we look here, you can toggle up 3.64%. And over the last week, Bitcoin has been up over 10%. Ethereum has been up almost 20%, 18%. So that is awesome. Bitcoin has rebounded from as low as almost $30,000 up to 41,000. So if you bought the dip, congratulations. If you look into Bitcoin here, it's been a rough ride this year. It went as high as 61,000, and now it's back down, and it came back up. So it went down here. Let's see. Okay, back in July it was as low as $29,000, and then it went for a run, and it went up to 67,000 in late November, up to 67,000, and then it came crashing down again. Guys, don't be fooled. They are not selling. The institutional investors such as JP Morgan and other pension funds are not selling their Bitcoin. They are buying more. So every time retailers sell, the institutional people are buying more Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. So don't be fooled by that. Bitcoin is not going anywhere. So I wanted to, share that with you. When they crash this Bitcoin or Ethereum, they buy the dip actually. Okay, so don't be fooled. The major banks, Bank of America, all of them, they want to be the main holder of Bitcoin and Ethereum and other digital assets, because then once they control it, they got the custody of, okay? They can control it. They can, distribute it out bits and pieces and charge you, the consumer. Okay, so over the last week though, Bitcoin has been up about 10%. As we see over the week, Bitcoin has been up. It's been a nice rebound because people were worried that this was the end of the world because some people bought it at the peak. Okay, as an investor, you have to dollar cost average. You have to, if you want to make money off of cryptocurrency, you have to dollar cost average, and it can't just be overnight. If you buy Bitcoin and you flip it, you're actually working against yourself in some situations. If it's not a long-term hold, let's just say I have a friend, he bought Bitcoin when it was $4,000 and now it's $41,000. If he sells that $41,000 Bitcoin, he's actually going to face a tax of about 30%. So if you do 30 times 4, that's about $7,000. So if you want to owe the government $7,000, keep right on flipping your Bitcoin or Ethereum, selling in and buying out. You just basically want to hold Bitcoin or Ethereum or any cryptocurrency over the long run. You want to find one that you really like and hold in the long term, okay? So Bitcoin over the last week, again, it's up over 10%. And over the last year, it's still up over 8%. So that's a major correction. And if I go to some of my cryptocurrency, I started my journey last April. I bought $5 or $10, and that's all I did continuously through 2021. I bought $5 and $10 every week, and hence the balance of $482. So that's my Bitcoin there. As you can see, my total balance $292 in Bitcoin. And then I just dollar cost average. I don't think that, Bitcoin's going anywhere. So I just buy in, and hopefully by the end of the year, I'm up 20%. Okay. So if you look at my performance on Bitcoin, I'm up over 9% over the last year. And so if you drill down into Coinbase, you have to go into your individual account. Coinbase doesn't let me log into my account and do these videos, but I just took a screenshot to show you, you can check your performance. Okay, so here it is, year over last year, I earned 9% on my Bitcoin, and I'm still adding to it. I'm not stopped buying, I'm still adding to it. Okay, so that's my Coinbase. And also, let's see here. I own some Ethereum as well. So here's my Celsius networks. If you're not familiar with Celsius Network, you can visit them at celsius.network.com. This is another place you can earn interest on your cryptocurrency, and you can also borrow on your cryptocurrency. So Celsius Networks, if you want to buy your cryptocurrency on this platform, you can do it as well. And also they do pay a little bit of interest, APY. So if we look here on my account, I've gotten rewards. So every week they pay like 1% of your balance. They pay you 1%. So that comes out for me like about $1 or 80 cents every week. I get paid on Ethereum. I get paid some Ethereum every week. And you can see I started my journey back in September using Celsius Networks, and it went up, went up, went up, went up, and then it crashed just like on the Bitcoin, and now it's recovering back up. So I have $809. I believe when it was at the peak, I had a little over 1,100 Ethereum. So down a little bit on Ethereum, but I'm confident I'll keep dollar cost averaging. Also, I get reward points every week, like 1%. I get paid every week in rewards on the Celsius networks. Okay. So this is cool about Celsius Network. They do pay you every week. I believe Coinbase does have a few programs as well. So if we look here, Coinbase has paid me interest as well, 2.83% on my Tezos. So I own some Tezos and I get paid 2.83%. So just visit Coinbase and you'll see they have numerous types of coin. Tezos, let's see here, is one of the coins that they're willing to pay interest on. Okay, so here it is. Tezos trades at $3.92. Coinbase does pay interest on your Tezos coin. So if you own some Tezos, you can trade that here on Coinbase as well and get paid some interest. So that is the two platforms I use. I use Coinbase just to, accumulate crypto like Bitcoin and Cardano, and also Celsius Network I use as well, where I can borrow against some of my crypto, my Ethereum, and that's how I do it. And like I said, crypto has been hot over the last week. It's been up a little bit, and we're just recovered. We just dipped, and it looks like we're recovering. We're headed back to $1,100 into this account. I'll be buying more Ethereum coming this week. And that was pretty much my update. Also, another feature when I logged into my Celsius network was something called, do I qualify as a accredited investor? And this is new at Celsius Network, accredited investor status. So there's a website here that it links you to, and it says there's no official process through which one can register or apply or certify to accredited investor. And it says here are two criteria if you meet accredited investor, a person who has annual income of 200,000 or 300,000 as a joint couple. And then other qualifications are net worth of a person worth $1 million. And then third is license based. So if you are a broker, a person who holds certificates, designations, and other credentials such as Series 7, Series 65, and Series A2, basically what accredited investor means, you can invest more than $10,000 on the platform. Celsius Network now wants you to upload financial statements proving that you are a accredited investor if you're doing transactions well over $10,000 in a year's time frame. So that was a tip that I wanted to add. Also, one more thing that I saw was that if you sold any crypto this year, be ready, because basically you will have to report any of those sales to Uncle Sam, filing your taxes. I got this form inside my Coinbase account. It says you can use transaction reports to inform likely tax obligations for U.S. customers. Sales, converts, or reward incomes in Coinbase earning transactions are taxable events. So again, if you're earning major money on the platform, and I would say probably, anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000 on the platform, be careful. Log into your Coinbase account or whatever crypto account you use. If you use Celsius Networks, and download this form, and it will tell you if you sold or you earned interest. Again, if you sold or you earned interest, you want to report that stuff to the IRS. You want to put that in the packet with your 10W2 or whatever you give to your accountant, and provide that so that you can pay your taxes on some of your crypto. Okay, so this was my update on my cryptocurrency account. Like I said, you can choose to use Celsius Network or you can choose to use Coinbase. Both are great platforms. And like I said, Bitcoin and Ethereum are back on the rise. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. And if you'd like to get some free crypto, please use my Coinbase link below, and have a great day.